This is Jake with Pool RX. We are dealing with a leaky pool, and what we have is it's leaking in the pressure side cleaner line. There was a company that was out here a few years back. I guess they made a repair and it must have let loose. It's leaking again. So we are gonna tear it out and get down to it and show you what we got going on. So this is the area here that was already taken out one time, repaired, so we're going to go ahead and cut that back out, dig down to it and see what they did. All right, we got all this exposed here, and down there that line is capped for some reason. That's a cleaner line, so we need to get down to it, but that cap is leaking. That is what we need to do. We're gonna have to chip this out right here so we can get down to it and open up that side and at least get to it, cut that cap off, and see what's going on. And they had one end of the cleaner line capped off, and they just didn't do a good job, and that thing was slid just about all the way off and was leaking. So we have to chip out more to this wall and be able to get down, and then we put another cap on there, pressure test, close up the hole. All right, got it fixed, got it poured on back.